subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung is reportedly working on its upcoming rugged phone called Galaxy Xcover 7, and before the official launch, the upcoming smartphone renders has surfaced online by Android headlines. According to leaks and other rumors, the Galaxy Xcover 7 will sport a flat screen with small bezels on the edges, and it has a water drop notch at the top center for selfie camera. The grooved rear panel of the phone is seen to have a single camera set up at the top left corner, including dual LED flash. The volume rockers along with the power button is located on the right edge, while on the left appears to have customizable Xcover key. A recent Geekbench listing suggests the phone to come powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus chipset, paired with 6 GB of RAM, and it will run on Android 14 out of the box. Apart from this, there is no other details of Galaxy Xcover 7 has leaked so far. So as of now, that's all we know about the Galaxy Xcover 7 smartphone, and we'll come to know more details about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.